Have you ever dealt with frustrating signal drops on your IoT devices or drones? It is a common issue when your antenna is not quite up to the task of maintaining a stable link in challenging environments. Today we are looking at a flexible, omnidirectional whip antenna that covers several common bands, including 915 MHz and 868 MHz. It is a simple piece of communication equipment that might help stabilize your remote links. At a current price of $4.50, it represents a very accessible starting point for those looking to swap out stock antennas. It is interesting to see that over 400 of these have been picked up by others in the community. The main benefit here is the omnidirectional design. Unlike directional antennas that need to be pointed precisely, this should provide a more forgiving signal spread, which is ideal for mobile applications like UAVs. NB-IoT Soft Antenna 915-900 appears as an option in the communication equipment space. The important part is whether its role matches your actual use, not just whether the title sounds promising. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or. The flexible whip design is a significant advantage for hardware that is subject to vibrations or impacts. A rigid antenna might snap, but this soft material is designed to bend and absorb that stress. Before you choose this, verify your device's frequency. Whether you are working with 840 MHz or 928 MHz modules, ensuring the antenna matches your specific transceiver is the most important step for getting a clear signal. Always double-check that your equipment uses a standard SMA connector. It is the most common interface for these modules, but checking your specific device port prevents any compatibility headaches during installation. Overall, NB-IoT Soft Antenna 915-900 could be worth checking if the details match your need. Review the listing carefully and compare before buying. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. While this high-gain antenna can help boost your reach, keep your expectations realistic. Obstacles and local interference will always play a role, so test your range after installation to see how it performs in your area. Since these components are often subject to inventory updates, take a moment to check the current listing details. Ensure that the variants match your project needs before you proceed with any order. A useful product should not only look good, it should feel reasonable to use, store, set up, and understand in your actual daily situation. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. Ultimately, for a small investment, this could be a practical fix for range issues. If you have been looking for a flexible antenna for your project, it is definitely worth looking into the full specs to see if it fits your setup.